blacked out. You know it's going to be a good chase. Hold on. Let me show you guys another one first. And this is pretty much why I moved out of the state of New York. I would be just driving along, doing nothing, and then, you know, a state trooper would get behind me and want to bust my chops. All right, guys, so welcome back. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. If you're new, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Now, I'm not going to talk your ear off too much because I do want to show you another chase. But this one, you could clearly see the officer gave up. And it's likely because the driver was willing to do anything, and that is put everybody on the road at risk. I mean, you see him going onto oncoming traffic. You see him blowing stop signs, you know, everything. And I think the officer basically shut his lights off and was like, listen, I'm not gonna make this situation even worse. I mean, the Mustang, to be honest, I didn't even think he was doing anything wrong. He was just chilling, cruising on the highway. And as a former resident of New York, I can say that that has happened to me a gazillion times. I wasn't even doing anything. I was chilling in the middle lane, doing the speed limit, maybe 5 over, and law enforcement would see my Charger and basically just want to pull me over to see if there was anything wrong with my car or any of that nonsense. So really, that Mustang driver was like, I'm not having it today, and took off. And I think the officer was like, screw it, I'm not going to pull him over for no front plate or an equipment violation or anything. With that being said, guys, I want to show you another chase.
Right behind you. A couple miles, a mile back. Arizona here, 1032 traffic, 1331, head westbound, going west. We got the meeting in a 41 and Crystal.
Now that Mustang clearly had a lot of performance. I mean, that thing was, when he put the pedal to the metal, it was gone. And I'll tell you, he ends up getting caught, and the reason why is because he's bragging on Instagram, and after he ends up getting away, he still was driving like an idiot, and ends up, you know, pretty much giving up, and you know, gets arrested, and the rest is history. You know, a lot of these guys that end up escaping law enforcement, once they do so, they kind of kill the lights, start driving a little bit more on the normal side, and try not to stick out like a sore thumb. This guy went on, bragged on social media, and continued driving like a knucklehead. And, you know, he ended up paying the price. Either way, guys, I'm setting up an RT Life merch store. For those of you guys that are interested in some of, you know, maybe a sweatshirt, a t-shirt, or anything like that, definitely, you know, check it out. I just started it. The link is going to be in the description. And, you know, I haven't officially launched it, but, you know, you guys can kind of, you know, check it out. And I'll be loading up new designs probably each month, and hopefully get a really cool collection of designs for you guys to choose from. I don't determine the pricing. I don't, you know, it's a third party kind of a deal. So, you know, I only make like, you know, what, $3 or $4 on a sale. So either way, let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm always interested to hear what you guys have to say, and I'll check you on the next upload.